the topic that we were discussing, the linking the architectural model. Okay.
Yeah.
So how to link the architectural model? How to link the architectural model? Here we have the tab called insert.
Okay.
Okay, insert. Click this tab, and here is the option for link Revit. Okay, click this link, and you can access. Now I have saved the architecture file in my folder in E drive. Afzal Khan, morning batch, project, architectural and mechanical. Okay, so I have saved this model here, so you can access it with from here also. Link Revit. Click on this link, go to the desktop, go to this PC, E drive, Afzal Khan, morning batch, architecture. Here we can find the.
Yeah.
So select this. Yeah, are you listening?
Yeah.
Okay, select this one, and here is asking for the position. Okay, always define as origin to origin. Okay, so
Okay.
the architectural model origin and your model origin will be same.
Okay.
Okay.
Select the auto origin to origin and click open. Yeah. Go to the 3D view.
Hello.
Yeah, this is the model that we have linked. Okay.
Okay.
Now, next thing that we have to do is,
It has, I think, 4 floors, 5 floors.
yeah, it is having three floors. Okay.
3
Next is the
floors.
roof.
Okay.
Here is having the roof.
Okay.
So next is copy, monitor levels or grids. Okay. Now first we need to create the levels. Now this is the link model. This is the link model. When you hover the mouse over this, this is the link.
Okay.
These levels are not in the not in our project. These levels.
Okay.
These
Okay.
levels are come from the architectural one. Okay.
Yes.
So what you have to do? These are the levels of project. Level 1, level 2.
Okay. These are
First,
our project. Okay.
yeah, of our project of the MEP template, mechanical template, and these levels are of the architectural one. So we don't have these levels in our project. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
So what you have to do first select these levels. Select this one and drag to this side and select this one and drag to this side. Like this, drag to this side. Now the first thing that you can see, the architectural units are in feet inch.
Right.
And what unit that we have? Mm.
It's MM.
So
Yeah.
yeah, so first we'll convert the units. Okay, so how to convert? UN, type UN, the project unit will appear.
Okay.
Click length. Here you can define feet and fractional inches. Okay, click
Okay.
this one, click OK, click OK. Now here you can define the level. Okay,
Yeah.
you have to align level 2 with the level 2 floor of this link model. Na?
Yeah.
Therefore, then we have the same levels at the same distance, same floor height. So you can do this in two ways. First one is, we can do with the help of align tool. Select this one, align tool, select this one and select this one. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Other, what you can do, you can just type here 12 feet.
Type, change the dimension. Yeah.
Yeah, directly. and okay. Now next we need to create these two floors also. We don't have
Yeah.
none in our project. We don't have these two floors.
Okay.
Yes.
So next, how to create these two levels? Parapet is not necessary because it is not having the floor plan. Yeah, listen one thing. This is having black color and this is having blue color. So what is the
Yeah.
difference?
Uh-huh.
Blue color will have the floor and ceiling plans, and if the level is having black color, it will not have it. It will not having any views. It will not have the
Okay.
floor plan. It will not have the ceiling plan. Okay.
Okay.
So next is to draw these 03
Level.
and the roof. This is the roof. Okay. So how to add? Go to architecture. Yeah, levels.
Levels.
Okay. So how much? 0 to 24,
Yeah.
or
12,
you can
12
use
feet.
with the offset. 12 to 24 means 12 feet. Okay.
Yeah.
Specify here 12 feet. Okay. Next is make plan views. Yeah. Okay. Make plan views. Plan view type. And select the architectural one. We don't want the structural one. So the structural one.
Okay.
Make only floor plan and ceiling plan. Click OK. Pick this line and hover the mouse over the level. Okay. Similarly, hover the mouse over the level. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. We don't need to create for this parapet. No need. Now we have created the levels. Okay. The next thing which we need to do is we have to rename this. We have to rename this as per the architectural file. Okay.
Right.
As per the architectural model, as per the architectural levels, we need to rename these all levels. How to rename? Select this 01 and 3 level. Okay. And 02 floor 03 floor, and this is here written as roof. So name it as roof. Okay.
Mhm.
Any doubt?
Yeah.
No. It's clear.
No, no.
Okay. So now you can see here. Here we have the floor plan 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. We have four levels, 4 plans. But in ceiling plan we have only 2.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So the 2 remaining are here. The 2 remaining are here. How to change this ceiling plan from here to here? How to move this ceiling plan from this portion to this portion? Select this one. And here you can define the sub-discipline. The sub-discipline of this mechanical is HVAC, na?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The sub-discipline of mechanical is HVAC. Then select this floor and go to this sub-discipline. Right here, click HVAC. Okay.
Yeah.
Select this one. Go to sub-discipline. Specify HVAC. Now it is okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Any doubt till?
No, no. Okay.
So next that we'll discuss copy monitor. Yeah, copy monitor means now you have the levels as per the architectural one. Okay, the levels have been created with an equal distance and equal when the same naming as per the architectural one. Next thing that you have to do is you have to monitor these levels. Yeah, Manilal, mute your audio, please. Okay. So how to monitor? Why we are monitoring these levels? Suppose in case if the architectural changes the height of the second floor, So we'll get the notification here. If we monitor these level with these level, how to monitor? See first how to monitor. Go to the collaborate tab. It is the option for copy monitor. Okay, select copy monitor, then select link. Now when you select link, when this red is appear, when this link appear, click here. When you click here is the option for copy monitor will open. Okay, select monitor, select this level, then select this level. Now when this sign comes, this sign is for monitor.
Okay.
Then it is verified that the levels are being monitored. Okay, select this line, sorry, level, select this level. Now here comes the sign. Now select this level, here comes the sign. Select this level and select this level. So here comes the sign. Now all the levels are being monitored with the architectural one.
Okay. If any changes, how it will come?
Yeah. Okay, let me show you. If you change any of your level dimension, suppose I change it to 11.
Okay.
Now it will showing na coordination monitor alert level by 1 feet.
Okay.
So you cannot change your level height or floor height from the architectural because we have monitored the level of our project with the architectural project.
Okay. If what happened if we didn't monitor, then we we make some mess up like floor height.
Actually,
without
the floor height will be defined by the architectural.
Okay.
Okay, we cannot change the height of a floor or ceiling height. These all height are defined by the architectural. So if the architectural changes, when it will change, it will automatically get changed because this level is monitored with this level.
Okay.
Okay, so when the architectural changes this height, this will get automatically changed.